Let me introduce myself. My name is Gavrila Morales Kumila. I am from class D, 2023. In this video, I'm going to explain about psycholinguistic. For more details, watch this video until the end. Definition of psycholinguistic. Psycholinguistic is the study of the cognitive process that enable humans to understand, produce, and learn language. The main goal of psycholinguistic is to explain how the brain processes language information and how psychological factors influence the way people speak and understand language. Main aspect in psycholinguistic 1. Language comprehension. How someone can understand words, sentence, and text. This process involves word recognition, understanding grammar, and processing meaning. 2. Language production. The process of producing language, both orally and in writing, involves speech planning, word selection, and articulation. 3. Language acquisition. The study how children learn language, including theories about how a first language is acquired and the difference in learning a second language. Language processing. 1. Auditory input. Process the language heard and converts into meaning. 2. Top down and bottom up process. Using context to understand ambiguous words or sentence. 3. Synthetic and semantic processing. Identifying sentence structure and meaning. 4. Memory and comprehension language. Comprehension involves short and long-term memory to store information and relate the meaning of sentence. The following are some real examples of the application of psycholinguistic in everyday life. 1. The child who starts talking. When parents watch young children start to talk, they will see vocabulary and grammar develop. For example, at first a child might only say "eat" when hungry, then progress to "want to eat" and eventually be able to say complete sentences such as "I want to eat rice." Psycholinguistics explain the process of how children learn to arrange words into complex sentences through experience and repetition. 2. Difficulty in learning a foreign language. Someone who learns a foreign language often has difficulty understanding sentence structure or new vocabulary. For example, an Indonesian speaker learning English might be confused by different grammatical rules, such as the order of adjective, a place before nouns, e.g., read apple instead of read apple. Psycholinguistics helps explain why this happens and how more effective language learning strategies can be implemented. 3. The tip of the tongue phenomenon. Have you ever almost remembered a word but could say it, even though you were sure it was in your head? This is known as the tip of the tongue phenomenon, where a person knows they know the word but cannot immediately remember it. This is a real example of how the brain organizes the source board as well as how the word research process takes place. Thank you.